Hi, my name is Megan and this is Chris, and our company Activan just finished this latest van conversion. This is our Newport 170 floor plan.
So this is a 2020 Sprinter 170 4x4. It's fully loaded. Let's check it out.
Okay, so here we are back inside our latest conversion. This is the Newport 170 floor plan. So some of the features of this, we have a fixed bed, queen size. We have about 5 inches on either side of the bed to serve as a nightstand. We have upper cabinets, really spacious, about 3 feet long each cabinet. Plenty of storage. We have the pneumatic gas struts to keep it open. We have a really nice spacious bench. This is really comfortable, keeps a really nice open feel. It hides the fridge and freezer. You can just reach in and open it to grab something, or I will show you the whole thing and I will take the bench seat off. We have a Dometic CFX 95 liter fridge and freezer. You can do dual fridge, you can do a fridge and a freezer. This is really intuitive. The controls are on the side, very user friendly. I like this fridge a lot because if you like to do bigger grocery shopping trips at once, this has a lot more storage. Also, if you like to meal prep and pack for a long weekend, this has the storage to accommodate that.
We also have the hidden compartment here.
This is a really great feature. You can put shoes, equipment, extra storage. Really great feature to have. And then over here we have the kitchen area. We have a butcher block wood, a really big deep sink. You can wash a full-size pan in here. We have a custom kitchen drawers that are nice and big. You can compartmentalize, or you can put larger items like a toaster oven, a hot plate, things like that. Up here we have more overhead storage. So a lot of people ask us about our cooking equipment and what we use. We use electric. This model is built for electric cooktop. We have a hot plate and a toaster oven. The thing that we really like about electric portable cooking equipment is that you can stow it away in here, and then it gives the kitchen a nice, open, clean feeling.
Okay, one thing different that we did in this van versus our previous builds is the pneumatic cooling 12 volt AC unit. This is a really cool unit. Comes with a controller. Click it on. Van's flip down and off. Nice slim design. Goes right flush up against the shiplap. Let's show him the controls here. So here is the electric control panel. Since we went lithium on this build, we're using the Victron 3000 watt inverter. Here's the controller for that. Victron battery monitor, you can scroll through, see your battery percentages, how many amps you're drawing, and whatnot. Fresh water level. There's not really any water in the tanks now, so levels are not really going to go up, but that's how you turn them on. USB outlet, there's 2 of them in here, and a 12 volt outlet. So here's our shower. The shower pan is 24 inches by 32 inches. Sliding door. And has a retractable shower head lined with our signature, I guess, gray stick-on tile. We have wainscoting that goes up about half the wall, and a nice little towel holder here. Up top we have the Dometic Fantastic Fan. This fan can suck air in and pull air out. Basically acts as like a whole house fan. And the overhead storage. Up here we store the lagoon table, you have your window covers, and a fire extinguisher. That pretty much covers the inside of the van. Let's show you the outside. Like we said, this is a 2020 Sprinter 170 4x4. This thing is fully loaded. First things first, we have the Black Rhino wheels. These are the York model in 17-inch with Falcon Wild Peak AT3s and 275/70/17. 275/70/17 is the biggest size you can go with the adaptive cruise control on this particular Sprinter, but I still think it fills out the wheel wells quite nicely. The Illuminous surf pole and the Illuminous side ladder. Up top we have 300 watts of solar. There's the Pneumatic Cooling Co. AC unit, rear roof rack, and we have a solar mount on that. This is our Stealth freshwater fill. There's 42 gallons of fresh water just behind this door. And here's the electrical panel. 120 volt outlet here. Here's your solar controller, master on-off switch for the batteries, solar panel disconnect, a 12 volt outlet there. And I will take you inside here. Have a nice garage light. So we went with 300 amp hours of lithium battle-born batteries. Here's a 3000 watt inverter charger from Victron. Couple bus bars, circuits for the accessories, fuse blocks for the 12 volt accessories. Good little power station. Here's the view from the back. Nice bunk windows here on the side of the queen size bed. Very spacious garage. And the sliding door there at the head of the garage.
So that concludes our van tour. This is the Newport 170 floor plan that we offer on a Mercedes Sprinter 170-inch wheelbase.
Yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you guys want to learn more, check out our website below, activevanconversions.com, and we will see you on the next one.